You can put images, video, and audio on your web page. For example, here we have a picture of Hillary Clinton welcoming Sonia Gandhi. Different types of media have different tags, but we will show you how to use images since they are the most straightforward. Anytime you want to put an image on your web page, you use the image tag. Here is an example of an image tag to display a picture. And here is another example. The two of them look slightly different and both have syntax that we've not seen before. Inside the angle brackets for the image tags, we have options, which give extra information about what we're doing. In the example of an image tag, we need to specify what image to display. In fact, even though they are called options, and thus sound optional, some options are required. For example, we have to specify what image we want to display, so that option is required. Notice there is not a separate end tag. An image tag specifies the actual image location in the tag, so it doesn't need an end tag. It has the slash in this tag to indicate an additional end tag is not needed. As we just said, you must specify what image you want, so the source or SRC option is required. It specifies the web address to the image to load. Width is an optional tag. It can be used to reduce the size of the image displayed. Otherwise, the original size of the image is displayed, which could be quite large. There are other options you could specify, but we will see better ways to process images when we get to CSS. Here we display HTML that illustrates how to link to another web page, and below we show how this HTML is displayed in a browser. The anchor tag, or A tag, is used to specify a link to another website. The href attribute specifies the URL for that web page and is required. You must specify some text between the start and end anchor tag. This text will be clickable to take you to other websites. Now, making a web page look really good isn't easy. Designers can make elegant web pages because they understand HTML really well. Designers understand how to use the tools to get those fancy web pages. Now you are learning the basics of HTML so you can get started on creating simple web pages. You're learning a foundation that you can build on. Notice that web pages can be displayed on different types of devices. Your laptop, your phone. It's a bit more of a challenge to create a web page that displays well on both large and small displays. Having interaction with a web page, such as ordering a book from Amazon's web page, is even more complex. For now, let's get started with just the basics so you can create a web page.